Hello everyone, in today's topic I'm gonna show you how we can create hyperlink in HTML. Hyperlinks allow us to link documents to other documents or resources, link to specific parts of documents, or make apps available at a web address. Hyperlinks defined by a tag, and everything we type inside this tag will display in the browser. We're gonna type google.com and save the document. The link text is displayed in the browser and the user will read it simply. And this text is not clickable because we didn't specify the link destination yet. To specify the link destination, we use the most important attribute called href. This href means hypertext reference. Inside this href, we're going to specify the link destination. That means when we click this text, where does this page go? And for google.com, we use the google.com URL. And save the document. Now the cursor is changed to pointer. And this pointer cursor indicates that this text is clickable. Click the text, the page goes to google.com. And sometimes this link text doesn't provide enough information about the link. For example, if somebody doesn't know google.com, it will hesitate to click the link. So it is better to provide further information about the link. To provide further information, we're gonna use the title attribute. And inside this title, we're gonna type the largest search engine in the world. And save the document. Nothing will display here. But when I hover my cursor on the link, the title text will display and provide further information about the link to the user. And the user won't hesitate to click the link. And if you notice that when we click this link text, it refreshes the current browser window and opens the linked page. Let me show you. Click the text and it refreshes the current browser window and opens the linked page. But for some reason, we need to keep the current browser window and open the linked page beside the current window in the new created browser window. And to specify where to open the linked page, we're gonna use the target attribute. And this is the default value of this target attribute is self. This means when we click the link, it refreshes the current page and opens the linked page. But if I change this self to blank and save it, click the text, it opens the linked page in the new created browser window and it keeps the main browser window. And we can use it the linked page particularly. Furthermore, something you should understand is types of URL lists we use in href attribute. There are two types of URL lists, absolute URL and relative URL. Absolute URL means a full web address, just like this. And the relative URL means a local link. That means a link to a page within the same website. Let me show you the relative URL example. And first create the HTML file. And we're gonna name it about us.html. And we're gonna create the full document structure of the HTML. Inside this page, I want to display about us page. Save the document. Inside the index.html, we're gonna create a link that directs us to about us page. Break the line, and here the link text will be about us page. Save it. Here, about us page link. We're going to specify the link destination, and the link destination will be the file, the about us.html file location. And as they are in the same directory with the index.html, so we're going to type the name and the about us.html. Save the document, click the link, and it directs us to about us page. Inside the about us document, we're gonna create a link that directs us back to index page. Okay, break the line. Here, the link name, index page. And they are in the same directory, so we're gonna type index.html path. Save it. Click the link. Now it directs us back to index.html. And this types of URLs are relative URL or a local links. And also we are not limited to text to use as a link. We can use images as a link. Inside the hyperlink element, we're gonna create the image element. And this image element is used to embed images to our web page. And don't worry about this image element, we will cover it in detail in the next video. And inside this image element, I'm going to specify the image location here. And I already prepared one image in my project folder in the same directory with index.html. And I'm going to type the image path below room and alternative text, and the width of the image 100 pixel and the height 100 pixel, and save the document. Now this image is served as a link. I'm going to specify the link destination. I'm going to use the Google URL and save. Click the image. It opens google.com page. And we can use headings as a link and change this image element to heading. Now click this heading. Now to direct us to google.com page. Also, hyperlink allows us to send an email to specific address from an HTML document. Break the line, create a hyperlink, and send email. Inside the href attribute, I'm going to specify the email address, mail to, and next to the mail to text, I'm going to specify the email address and save the document. When I click this link, it directly opens the email and entering the email address by itself without copy and paste. This is all about HTML hyperlink.